Hello students, in this video we are discussing about very important topic, that is irrigation. As we know that the plant required many things. In the many things there is one thing also, that is water. Irrigation means supplying of water to the crop which are planting in the field. There are two modern methods of the irrigation. First is sprinkler irrigation and second is drip irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation means the water which is escaped from a revolving nozzle. Water which is escaped from a revolving nozzle. It is showered in the form of rain to the crops. It has various advantages. It is very common method in the area where is sandy soil, area where is uneven land. There is only one disadvantage of the sprinkler irrigation, that is there is lot of wastage of water. Now second method is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation, in this method we supply the water from the pipe. In the pipe there is a small hole. From that hole the water is supplied drop by drop just near to the plant, just near to the root of the plant. Suppose this is the plant and this is the pipe. The pipe supply, there is hole, but the pipe supply water in the form of drops to the crop. Now it is very expensive method. It is not a common method, but there is an advantage of this method. In this, the wastage of water is very less or nil. As you know that the plant required very adequate or very correct amount of water. If the water is supplied in excess amount, this process is called as waterlogging. The waterlogging is very harmful for the plant, very harmful for the plant, because water replace the air present in the soil. As you know that the air is very important, because root also breathes. The air escape from the soil and the growth of the plant is remain stagnant or it's stop growing. This is very harmful. So the proper drainage system should be maintained in around the field.